Please subscribe Vishwas Easy Learning channel and press bell icon.
Hello guys, I am Mayuri. This is our channel Vishwas Easy Learning. Subscribe our channel and please press the bell icon to never miss the latest updates of this channel, latest videos of this channel. Today I am going to discuss about various mobile applications launched by central as well as state government. These are the applications which has been launched by central and state government. So the first application, that is Arogya Setu application. It is one of the very important application regarding COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, so this application has been launched by NIC, that is National Informatics Center, in collaboration with Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, that is led by Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad sir. This is basically a contact tracing application. In this application we can use GPS and Bluetooth capabilities. Through that capabilities we can trace the person who is infected with this virus. Okay, application has been downloaded by 50 million people in mere 13 days. Okay, and this application is available in 12 languages. So this is about Arogya Setu application. And the second application is WhatsApp chatbot. This application is also created by central government, and this application is used to answer the queries of your question. If you raise your query through this application, you will get an instant answer from their side. Okay, so that you can get the queries regarding you can get the answer of your queries regarding COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, so the third application related to this pandemic is Corona Kavach. Corona Kavach is the third application. This application has developed by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology in collaboration with Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. This ministry is led by Mr. Dr. Harshvardhan sir. Okay, so Corona Kavach is the application. This application tells about the COVID-19 cases in the country, and it will give an alert if that person who has the application, who has downloaded the application, if he is at the high risk of catching the virus, so he will get an instant alert. Okay, so this is about Corona. And guys, so the fourth application is COVID-19 feedback application. This application has launched by central government, and through this application you can get a feedback of a patient or a person who has undergone a treatment of a COVID-19. So you can basically give out feedback. Okay, so the fifth application that has been launched by state government of Goa, and this application is Test Yourself Goa. This application has launched by Goa Health Ministry in collaboration with Innovaccer. Innovaccer is basically a healthcare company. It is headquartered in California. Okay, and the same application, that is Test Yourself Pondicherry. This application has been launched by Innovaccer again. Our seventh application, that is Quarantine Monitor app. Quarantine Monitor app has been developed by Tamil Nadu government in collaboration with Pixel AI Solution Company. Okay, so this application is basically to ensure the people who are in quarantine, they should not violate the rules of quarantine. That's why this application is going to help. The next application, that is Quarantine Watch. In this application, it is basically a application created by or developed by Government of Karnataka, and this is basically a GPS based application. Okay, GPS based features to ensure the people they should not go outside their houses and they should follow the rules of quarantine. That's why this application has made. Then the next application is Corona Watch. This application again has been developed by Karnataka government, and through this application we can get the history of an infected person and the location of an infected person. So this application is again very important, and this application has been created by Geographic Information System Agency. Again the very important application that is created by and or the developed by Punjab government, that is COVA Punjab. Basically COVA Punjab is an application that is coronavirus alert application. Through this application you can obtain curfew passes and information. You can give information about the large gathering of people through this application. So this is the basically the concept behind COVA Punjab application. Then the last one is Mahakavach application. The Mahakavach application has launched by state of Maharashtra. Through this application you can trace the contact history of an infected person. You can get the location of that infected person, and this is about the applications which are developed by different state and central government. So thank you guys for this video. Keep liking this video, keep sharing this video. Thank you.